guys! Welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For today's video, it is our last day of doing soup episode, and I'm just going to finish flaking this chicken, and I think you already have idea what I'm going to make. It's not chicken and dumplings. We are going to make chicken noodle soup. The chicken, guys, I marinated. Yes, marinated. Boiled, not marinated. I boiled it already last night, so it will be cold already when I do this part. And I'm only using one chicken breast. I wanted chicken thighs, but I don't have some. Maybe I'm gonna boil the bone with the soup to get all that flavor. Then we'll remove it after and just flake it like this. That's it for our chicken. And then, guys, for the noodles, I am using this Barilla brand. I love Barilla brand for my pasta, and this is it's called Fideo cut spaghetti chicken and noodles. And can you imagine, guys? I wanted to do 25 soup. I came up with 12. So, but anyway, guys, I did enjoy all the soup that we had, or I made. But yesterday we had the crab and corn soup. Oh my goodness, that one is really super yummy. So hopefully this one will be as good as that one. Our ingredients, guys, let me show you. I have the broth, the chicken broth, where I boiled our chicken. So chicken and the Fideo cut spaghetti. And then we have garlic, onions, carrots, celery, and I have one piece of leek, and I don't want it to go bad, so I'm just gonna add it to the soup. Leek, guys, L-E-E-K, leek. And then I have this mix of thyme and rosemary. And I'm also using olive oil, salt and pepper, chicken bouillon powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and use all this minced onion because there's not much in there, so I can throw the container. And our garlic powder. And over here I'm boiling the water. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. So these are all the ingredients, guys, for our chicken noodle soup. The first thing I'm going to do is boil the noodles, and I'm going to again keep this to just boil it with the soup, and then I'm going to remove it later. So, but anyway, guys, let's start sauteing our soup number 12, which is chicken noodle soup. Olive oil, garlic, onions. Celery and carrots. Then we're going to put the chicken. Oh, that skin. I don't want that. Then I'm going to put the broth. I'm going to put the bone, guys, because the bone has lots of flavor. So we're going to boil it with the broth, with the soup, chicken bouillon powder, and the minced onion. Oh, that's a lot. Pepper and garlic powder. I don't want to put salt yet. I'm going to taste it first. I'm gonna wait for that to boil. I tasted it, guys. It's a good thing I didn't put salt yet. It doesn't need salt. So I'm going to put the herbs, the thyme and rosemary, and the leeks. So I'm going to simmer this for a while, guys. And then we're going to put our noodles. Alright, guys, it's been simmering for a few minutes already, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove this bone. Look at the bone, still has a lot of meat. Maybe I won't throw it away. I will probably drop it. I would probably eat all that, not the skin though. So I'm going to put the noodles now. See how beautiful? This is what it looks like. And I think I cooked too much. I guess it's not too much. That's all right. I'm just gonna simmer this and we are done. How easy, huh? Soup number 12. Looks good, huh? Look, guys. That looks so yummy. I have this chicken crackers. Not much left, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put all of it. Well, no, there's still a lot more in there. I'll save some for Chris. Look how delicious it looks, guys. How beautiful the broth. Time to eat. Soup number 12, guys. Our last soup. Our last soup for our soup episode. Let us try it. But it is boiling hot. Let's try the soup first. Can you see the steam? Tastes like chicken noodle soup. Tastes like a real chicken noodle soup. No matter how I try to do it, guys, I can't. It's my mouth is not strong. My mouth is not strong enough for hot food. I think the crackers are stale. It's not crunchy anymore. I don't like it. The chicken flavored crackers. I'm gonna get the other crackers. This one. We finish it all. That's all it's left. Half for me, half for Chris. Anyway, we don't need lots of crackers because of the noodles. But you just need a little bit of crackers for added flavor. I like these noodles. This is the first time making this noodle. This is the first time. Well, this is the first time making this kind of chicken noodle soup. But this is the first time I use this pack stock. I like it. I like the flavor of the rosemary and thyme. I'm glad I decided to add some of that spices, or not spices. That's herb. This is really good, guys. When you're not feeling good, when you have fever or something, and you just want to lay down and have soup, this is that kind of soup you want to have. Or when it's really storming outside. Why it has to be storming, huh? Because it's so comforting. That's really good. I think this is my my top 5. So I have crab and corn, and then the potato soup, and then the sukiyaki, and then the broccoli and cheese, and then this one. So he's eating the soup now. We have to ask him a question. So 1 to 12 soup, which one is your favorite? If you remember all of them.
I would have to say it's a tie between the Zuppa Toscano, the potato, and this one.
Oh, because my top 5 are one is the best, is the crab corn soup.
So if I get 5, then yes, I agree, and I would include that.
Crab corn soup, potato, the sukiyaki, the broccoli and cheese, and that's my top 5. That one.
My top 5 are Zuppa Toscano, crab, potato, sukiyaki, and this one. There you go.
Okay, say bye.
It's lovely.
Bye. Anyway, guys, we are done. I'm happy that we are done with our soup. Why? Because I want to eat rice. But anyway, guys, that is our soup number 12, our last and final soup for our soup episode. Anyway, guys, how about you? If you make this chicken noodle soup, what kind of pasta do you use? And what kind of ingredients that you put on your chicken noodle soup? Besides the chicken and the noodles. Yeah, what kind of noodles do you use? So that's the first time I use this kind of pasta, and I really like it. I like this pasta. Anyways, hope you enjoy our soup episode, and let me know which soup that you will be trying. If you are new to this channel, I don't just make soup. I make all kinds of dishes, and please, if you're new to this channel, welcome to Win's Life, and don't forget to subscribe, and please guys, don't forget to click the thumbs up or the like button, and I will see you guys again on our regular dishes. No more soup for a while. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye for now.